here you can see that I got a video footage, and let's say right around in this section I want to freeze the frame. So in order to add in freeze frame, first of all I need to select the clip I want to add in freeze frame to, and then I can go to tools, and then I can click on add freeze frame right here. Once I do that, you can see freeze frame has been added, and if I were to click, you can go ahead and then change the duration. So right now it's 5 seconds, so if I were to change this around into 21, press OK, you can see that the length of the freeze frame increases. Alternatively, I can also go around and click and drag the freeze frame right over here to adjust it visually. So over here, if I were to press the play button, now what you see is it actually freezes just like that. So to make it much more smoother to work with, what you can also do is you can go around over here and then cut the section just like this. And then over here in the beginning as well, you can cut that section as well. So once you select it and cut that section, what you can do is you can go to transitions, and to make it smoother, I'm going to add around, let's say for example, flash right here. So I'm going to add flash there and there. And over here, you can see that once I play, what you can do is it flashes out and it seems like it is pausing, and at the end, it'll flash out again and it'll start playing. So it makes it much more smoother to work with. So this is one way you can work around with freeze frame. So let me just delete this clip. And the other way you can work around with freeze frame is by actually using a snapshot. So what I'm going to do to use freeze frame now is cut this portion out where I want the freeze frame to happen. And then I'm going to go around over here and then take a snapshot so that I get an image just like this. So now I can just pull it apart and then keep the snapshot here. You get the same effect as you would get with the freeze frame effect. So if I were to press the space bar here, you can see that you get this. So now what you can do is you can go around into transition and then apply the flash over here, the transition. So if I were to play this is how it seems. So you get the same effect as you can see. And that is how you can work around with the freeze frame effect inside of Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.